My name's Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. I'm sorry about the lighting in here. I'm over by the beach and the sun comes up and it comes through the clouds in the morning. I've worked at IRS over 10 years as a teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My YouTubes are short, sweet, and to the point. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters. What do you do if you haven't filed returns in years and you just don't know what to do? What's the first step? What do you have to do? Usually, I'm asked this all the time. There's a lot of fear that comes in people. We're in Florida, so we get a lot of transient people come in and out, and people move a lot. And for some reason, they just don't file. They haven't filed in years, and most people really they want to know what to do. Believe it or not, there's a very easy, seamless process to get your tax returns filed and get back in the system. At some point, you're going to have to do that. I used to knock on doors when I first started at IRS, and when people didn't file and we had to find them first, it kind of makes you as an agent kind of a little pissed off, to be honest. So it's best just to beat IRS to the punch and file. The nice things, IRS has a policy statement, 5133, IRS Policy Statement 5-133, that says you only have to file the last 6 years. And in some cases, you have to file only the last 3. IRS has all your income records on transcripts that you can get that information on their transcripts, and you can go ahead and prepare your returns from them. And it's very easy to reconstruct a tax return if you're a former agent, or maybe your accountant, or that's right, you wouldn't have an accountant, or anybody that could probably at least get you a really close estimate. So what you want to do is let go of the fear. You should hire someone to file a power of attorney with IRS. Let them know you plan to file. Pull the IRS transcripts up, and then get the tax returns sent in. Now, if it's a joint tax return, you may want to file married filing separate if only one spouse is going to go ahead and owe the money. And then you can simply work out a payment plan when all this is over with Internal Revenue Service. They'll go ahead, the IRS will send you out a series of 5 letters, and at that time you can go ahead and structure a settlement. IRS will take a financial statement, either put you in hardship, payment agreement, or you can file for an offer and compromise to settle your debt. That's all predicated, of course, on your IRS financial statement. And the very first step, though, you must do, if if you're self-employed, start making an estimate tax payment. And if you're make sure your withholding, in fact, is up to date. At the end of the day, IRS is just happy to get you back into the system, and you're going to be much relieved yourself to be back in the system as well. So if you like what I'm saying, please like or subscribe or comment. If you have questions, leave comments. I try to answer them all, and many of my YouTubes come from questions you answered. Thank you very much for listening.